Alright guys, yeah, I still got my mask on. Just one point. Sometimes you can't get this out, your speed sensor, but if there's enough slack in the line where you can take it off and set it on the ground. But yeah, ball joints. Basically, use a pickle fork for the bottom one. I found it easier to come in from the front. Be careful not to gouge your dustpan, brake dustpan, because it will get into it. Pops it right loose. Take a hammer to the top one. Hit it right here in the front. It'll pop the ball joint loose. Or a pickle fork if you're replacing it. Okay. That's that. I usually run a safety strap around the bottom spring. You never know what's going to happen. Don't know how much that will protect me, but oh well. Okay. I usually always leave my nuts on the ball joints until I break it free. I get that out like that. You have to control on wants to keep lifting up on me so I can't get my nut loose. And set it on the ground. And yes, there's plenty of slack. On the brake speed sensor, or speed sensor. And I was able to set it right down on the ground. Yeah, looks like y'all saw that. Okay. But with a little ball joint. Typical. Can't grease them so they wear out. I don't know why somebody designed something you can't lubricate. But that is an original ball joint. Okay, I guess I can take this off so y'all can hear me now. It's a hot mask anyway. But yeah, that's original ball joint. And how you can tell is it's got hot rivets. I call them hot rivets because they're probably hot when they put them in. And they hammer them from the bottom, they mushroom the bottom over. So these have to be cut along the top. And believe me, that's no fun. You cut them off. I always use a sawzall, believe it or not. Sawzall, cut the head of the rivets off there. Take a little grinder to take the edges that are up above it. And try to hammer them out, but usually they're swedged and heated into this. So you can't get them out, which makes it a real hard job. But we'll come back hours into this one ball joint and I'll complain some more. All right, guys, stay tuned. This is a hard job. This is the hardest part of the job right there, getting them 4 pieces out. Okay. Like Ziggy said, or Ziggy on his page this morning, in Australia it's illegal to heat any front end components or weld on any front end components in Australia. So that's something new I learned. I don't know if we have any laws like that, but I've always tried to refrain from heating any front end components. And frames. I don't like welding on frames neither, but sometimes you have to weld frames together, so. Okay guys, and it looks like the lower control arm bushings are good, the upper control arm bushings are good, which is great because I didn't have them in my kit. I was like, that was in and outer tie rod ends, upper lower ball joints. Shocks. pitman arm. And I think that's about it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Time for a break. Getting hot, hard to breathe. All right, y'all take care, stay tuned.